In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an HTML file in a folder. Let's start by getting your folder ready. First, navigate to the place on your computer where you want to keep your project. This could be your desktop, your Documents folder, or any other location you prefer. Right-click in an empty area, choose New, and then select Folder. Give your folder a clear, simple name, something like Website or HTML Project, so you'll recognize it later. Once that folder is created, double-click to open it. This is where your HTML file will live. Now we're going to create the actual HTML file inside this folder. There are two common ways to do this: using a basic text editor or using a code editor. I'll walk you through the simple text editor approach, since it works on every computer. Inside your new folder, right-click again in an empty space. Choose New, and then select Text Document. A file will appear with a name highlighted, usually something like New Text Document. Type a new name for it, and make sure it ends with HTML. For example, you might call it Index.html. The index part is just a common convention for a main page, but the important thing is the HTML extension. When you press Enter, your system may ask if you want to change the file extension. Confirm that you do. This tells your computer that this is an HTML file, not just a regular text file. If you don't see the TXT extension when you create the file, you may need to enable file extensions in your system's folder settings, then rename it again. That step helps avoid accidentally ending up with a name like index.html.txt. Once your HTML file is created, right-click it and choose Open With. Select your preferred text editor or code editor from the list. If you're just getting started, the built-in text editor is fine. When it opens, you'll see a blank document. This is where you can start writing your HTML code. To test that everything is working, you can type a simple example, like a basic HTML structure with a heading, then save the file. After saving, go back to your folder and double-click the HTML file. It should open in your default web browser and display the content you just wrote. And that's all there is to it. You've created an HTML file inside a folder and opened it in your browser, ready for you to start building your web page.